Hi, this is Mr. M. I will show you now how to submit your ELA work using Google Doc. Okay, so now you would have been in your classroom and see to the left your upcoming assignment. For example, Malala, it's due at 10 o'clock. I'm going to click on Malala and now I will read my instructions and I am going to write my response. The question is, what is the main idea of the text? All right, I will go here, add or create. Click on this. Then I will choose the option create new docs and I'm going to click on this. Takes a minute. It will upload your new Google document right here. Good. Now you have created a Google document. You will see your name come up here, and then you will click on it. Then it takes you to the Google Doc. Now I'm going to type in my answer. So the question is, what is the main idea of the text? And I'm going to write my answer. The main idea of the text is, and I keep writing my answer. Okay, now you do not have to save this because automatically it is saved. All right, Google Docs saves stuff automatically, so trust me, you will not lose your information. As soon as you are done, you are going to go over here, top right corner, and say turn in. It will take you back to your Google Classroom. Good. And it says to you, turn in your work, one attachment. You click turn in and your assignment would have been in with the teacher. And that's how you do it. Okay, so that's how we're going to do it moving forward. So please take note. Thank you.